From its humble beginning in its native Africa, the oil palm has today become Malaysia's premier crop, covering more than 60% of the country's agricultural land. The palm oil industry is an engine of Malaysian economic growth, contributing 1/3 of agriculture's gross domestic product, 7.5% of total export earnings, and is the livelihood of over 1 million people in all sectors of the industry. Palm oil today accounts for approximately 23% of the global oil and fats production. The success of the Malaysian palm oil industry is due to the good planning and policies of the government and the commitment of the industry itself, especially towards research and development, market promotion, and proper regulation of the industry. The Malaysian Palm Oil Board, or MPOB, was formed by a merger of the Palm Oil Research Institute of Malaysia, or PORIM, and Palm Oil Registration and Licensing Authority, or PORLA, is dedicated to the pursuit of palm oil research and development by setting national objectives, policies and priorities for the orderly advancement of the palm oil industry. MPOB pursues a three-pronged strategic R&D to make the industry globally competitive and sustainable. High income to increase producers' incomes. Biomass utilization to fully utilize the palms and achieve zero waste. Value adding to increase the value of products by downstream processing. MPOB's activities are financed by a cess based on the production of palm and palm kernel oils. The cess is collected at the mills where the oils are produced. In the work of MPOB, biology research aims at optimizing productivity and quality of crop production and reducing the cost of production. Integration Research and Extension functions as a premier reference center on oil palm cultivation for oil palm growers, as well as conducting research to maximize income through high oil palm productivity and mixed farming. Engineering and processing research is focused on improving the quality of palm oil, developing new processes for milling and refining, and full utilization of the oil palm biomass. Product Development and Advisory Services strives to improve global demand of Malaysian palm oil by research on new product uses and the nutritional value of palm oil. It is also involved in the technical promotion of palm oil through its network of advisory services offices set up in various major palm oil importing countries and regions. The Advanced Oleochemicals Technology Research conducts research to increase the non-edible uses of palm oil, especially in processing the oil to oleochemicals, consumer and industrial products, which are environmentally friendly. Economics and Industrial Development Research concentrates on economics studies, production technology and feasibility analysis, in addition to the collating and dissemination of industry statistics and other relevant information. The non-technical divisions, namely Licensing and Enforcement, Information Technology and Corporate Services, and Management and Finance, provide the support for smooth operation of the R&D. The services offered include formulating and enforcing the rules and regulations for licensing and quality control, creating effective transfer of technologies and commercialization activities, and administrative and developmental function. Through the R&D program, which is based on the total quality management approach, MPOB's works have resulted in good path-breaking studies and achievements. In pursuit of this strategy, MPOB has produced better planting materials for the industry. To date, 12 varieties from PS1 to PS12 have been introduced for dwarfness, high iodine value, higher kernel, higher carotene content, thin shell teneras, large fruit duras, higher bunch index, higher vitamin E content, long stalk, and higher oleic acid content. This includes an exotic palm species known as peach palm or Bactris gasipaes, which is a potential delicacy. However, biotechnology is viewed as the pièce de résistance for future progress. By genetically engineering oil palm, high-value products such as novel oils, nutraceuticals and pharmaceuticals can be produced. MPOB is the only organization in the world today with a full complement of genes, promoters and transformation techniques for producing high oleic palm oil by genetic manipulation. The Biotechnology laboratory has well-equipped tissue culture facilities and some of the most sophisticated research equipment. MPOB is the implementing agency for the Malaysia-Massachusetts Institute of Technology or MIT Partnership Program for Oil Palm. In the fight against basal stem rot caused by the fungus Ganoderma, which has afflicted 50% of oil palm fields in Peninsular Malaysia, MPOB has developed the Ganoderma selective medium for confirmation of the disease. Precise techniques for early detection of Ganoderma have been transferred to the industry. A method for pressure injecting fungicides has also been developed to prolong the lives of infected palms. A number of technologies have been developed to increase labor productivity. The mechanical harvester can harvest, collect and transport FFB to the roadside with only one operator. Normally, 3 workers are required. Continuous sterilization is on the verge of revolutionizing palm oil milling with substantial savings in cost and labor and environmentally friendly processes. The system needs only 10 operators to run, as against 25 to 30 in a conventional mill. Continuous sterilization renders the entire palm oil milling process a continuous operation that can be easily automated. Growers are provided the knowledge and assistance for integration, rearing livestock and planting short-term crops under their oil palm. This is in support of the government policy to increase food production. The Oil Palm Efficient Nutrition System or OPENS for estimating the oil palm nutritional requirements has resulted in optimum fertilizer application and higher yields. Based on over 30 years of oil palm fertilizer experimental results, MPOB has formulated the MPOB F1 and MPOB F2 nutrient-balanced compound fertilizers to maximize oil palm production. The aim is to optimize utilization of oil palm biomass and its commercial products. This will be achieved by creation of new products from oil palm biomass, the fronds, trunks and empty fruit bunches which are now largely underutilized. They can be used for plant growth media, activated carbon, pulp and paper, fiberboard, particle board, plywood, lumber and automotive components. Development of clean and efficient treatment technology for recovery of useful products from mill and refinery wastes, for example, the use of nutrient-rich residues as organic in lieu of chemical fertilizers. Other practices for zero waste include zero burning, biological pest control, and adopting the ISO 14000 environmental standards to safeguard the environment and conserve resources. MPOB strives to develop new uses for palm oil, both edible and non-edible. Various new food formulations have already been introduced to entrepreneurs for commercialization. Research continues on palm oil-based diets compared to those on other oils and fats. It has been proven that palm oil lowers the total blood cholesterol. This is done in the most advantageous way, by lowering the bad LDL cholesterol and increasing the good HDL cholesterol. Vitamins A and E from palm oil have antioxidant and anti-cancer properties, especially against mammary carcinogenesis. Healthy palm-based value-added food products have been introduced. This include the Health Margarine Smart Balance, which balances lipoprotein cholesterol in humans, was developed based on studies conducted in MPOB. Red Olein, which is rich in carotenes, is gaining international interest as dietary therapy against blindness in children. In the non-food sector, apart from the production of basic oleochemicals, several new products have been produced in pilot plants with high-performance equipment such as palm-based polyols. Polyurethane, for example, is used for seat cushions, thermal insulation, carpet underlay, and flower foam. The alpha-sulfonated methyl ester pilot plant uses a new technology to produce a surfactant from palm oil, comparable in cost and performance to linear alkyl benzyl sulfonate from petroleum. It is used for formulating cleaning products such as environmentally friendly powder and liquid laundry detergents. MPOB has in-trans esterified crude palm oil to metal esters as a diesel substitute. It can be used alone or blended with petroleum diesel in any proportion. Palm diesel is renewable and environmental fuel. MPOB, by its research, both on its own and in collaboration with other research bodies, has been recognized as the fount of palm oil knowledge and expertise. A comprehensive corporate database, Palm Oilis, or Palm Oil Information Online Services, is available on the Internet. Numerous technologies, processes and products generated through R&D are actively promoted for commercialization in the annual Transfer of Technology Seminar and Exhibition. Many patents have been filed for. MPOB has also been bestowed several awards for its outstanding achievements and contributions to the country's agricultural development. These include the prestigious Prime Minister's Quality Award and Best R&D Institute Award. MPOB scientists regularly win scientific recognition at the national and international level. MPOB is committed to actively explore all opportunities to promote and improve the social and economic situation of the people within the industry and its many stakeholders. With continued dedication, diligence and hard work by its staff, MPOB will continue to serve as the springboard for the development and prosperity of the Malaysian palm oil industry today and in the future.